Hi guys, welcome to the Thailand Mice Product Update. My name is Nitin Sachdeva, and today I have with me Miss Veronica Fernandez from Angsana Laguna, Phuket. Veronica, thank you so much for joining this meeting. Why don't you start with the details of the property?
Hi Nitin, nice to be here with you guys. And as you said, like Angsana Laguna Phuket is very centrally located in the island. We are 30 minutes from the airport, from Phuket International Airport, driving down to the south in Bang Tao Beach, which is a 3-kilometer beach area. We are a beach resort property with 371 bedrooms in total. Entry level of rooms starting from 40 square meters that we call them Laguna rooms, and then going up into different room types, especially if you need like extra space. In terms of conference spaces, we have our main ballroom, which is called Angsana Ballroom, which is 358 square meters. And we can cater there groups up to 250 people in banquet style. Additionally to that, we have few different options for smaller meetings or breakout rooms. So we have 4 breakout rooms plus additionally 5 smaller boardrooms. But the highlight about the conference area is a new space that we launched last year, which is called ACES, which is Angsana Convention and Exhibition Space. We have now additionally 1,500 square meters, so we can cater groups, large groups up to 900 people in banquet style. And this is actually now the largest event space in the island. We also have a lot of options for outdoors. We are set along 24 acres of green and lush gardens, so we can do plenty of functions at spaces like a poolside garden or even Shana Beach Club. I would say that's also another of the highlights of the resort. We have our own beach club where we can cater functions outdoors from, let's say, smaller groups up to even 1,000 people in banquet style. And we've done even concerts in the past with 3,000 people plus. So on top of that, few restaurants where we can also, of course, consider for events or catering functions, which is from international food to Thai food. We have Bantale, which is our Thai restaurant. We can provide you with similar activities, wellness, CSR activities, so either our team or either we can also suggest you suppliers.
Cool. So, talking about food, do you have an Indian chef in-house or do you allow outside catering into the property as well?
Yes, of course, Indian food is very important for Indian market. We know that, and since last year we have Chef Praveen. Is our Indian chef, and definitely he's in charge. However, we also work with quite a few suppliers in the island that they are very much familiar with the resort. And recently we even had this promotion. We had actually this promotion, which is Thali, Angsana Thali, on Fridays and Saturday evenings.
And how about catering to the Indian corporate groups? I know that you mentioned that you've got a couple of them earlier, but what is the average size that you cater to? Was it a meeting or an incentive?
Yeah, for the corporate side, we've done mainly smaller groups, training or small conferences. When it comes to larger numbers, about like 500, 600, 700, those have been mainly social events like Indian weddings.
So, Veronica, why don't we show a glimpse of the property to all the audience that is watching this meeting?
Yes, please go ahead.
I think it was a brilliant showcase of the property, and I think the aerial view is beautiful. Thank you so much, Veronica, for educating us and showcasing the property in such a beautiful manner.
Thank you, Nitin. Great to be here with you guys and giving us the chance to educate a little bit more about Angsana Laguna Phuket. Have a good day.